Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining my live on Sherry's Decor More. I am Sherry, and today we are going to make a miniature wreath stand. If you're new to my YouTube channel, could you please hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video at the end, please give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. So today, we're going to use, there's 10 people on here, but I've only seen a few that said hello. So please say hi to me. Today we're going to use this square piece of wood and this spindle. You can use any type of base that you want. You can use any type of spindle or just a square piece of wood or just whatever you want to use for your design. Good morning, Miss Rita. Good morning, Deanna. Sprinkle me out. Thank you so much. Today I'm just going to use this antique wax and go over both of my pieces of wood. It's a beautiful day here. Hello, Miss Sarika. Today I am making a miniature wreath stand. And I'm going to show you at the end, when I post the picture, how you can use this stand for your in-home decor. I got this piece of wood right here from the Dollar Tree and More store, or the Dollar Tree and whatever they want to call it these days. That's where I got it. Okay, just a simple block piece of wood. My spindle, I'm doing much better, Deanna, thank you. My back is very touchy right now, so I'm trying to not twist and turn too much. I got this spindle from Lowe's. I don't remember how much it was. It was $10 or $11. I can't remember. But you can use one from Lowe's or just make yourself one, whatever suits your fancy. I wanted this one because I liked all of the cuts in the wood. If you are viewing my video from YouTube, please know I do have a live audience, and that's who I'm talking to, along with teaching you all who's viewing me. Anyway, I'm just putting a stain on here. This is just an antique wax stain. This one happens to be from Michael's. It looks like this. Waverly's my favorite one, but I couldn't get Waverly one day, you know, a few months back, so I got this from Michael's, and that was fine. It does its purpose for me, so I'm good with it. So, get all this stain on here. This is going to be a quick project, you'll see, once I get this stained. Quick but fun. And you can use it in so many places in your home. If you're new on my Facebook business page, let me know that you're new. I would appreciate that too. Okay. Just a little bit more down here. And if you're on here and you haven't liked and subscribed to my YouTube page, can you please do that? And I would appreciate a thumbs up on my videos as well, because that will help me out in attracting people to my YouTube page. Okay. There we go. If you don't get every spot on the wood hit with the stain, it's okay, because if you're going to age it or anything, then it's not going to matter in the end. What this I dropped off of here. Okay, hello Jill, how are you? Give me a napkin. Don't know why I didn't have two gloves up here. All right. I just want to put a little heat on this stain for a while. This is just a crafting heat gun. You can get it anywhere at most craft stores. I got this one from Amazon. Very inexpensive. I do want to caution though that these get hotter than a regular blow dryer. They can get hotter than a regular blow dryer, so please don't let your kids play with these. Now, for myself, I don't mind this being just a little bit of white on it, just to, you know, give it another look. It'll go with my decor personally, so you do not have to do this. I'm going to use this piece of paper right here, and I'm just going to wipe it just so. Don't try to be perfect with it. That's, if you're trying to make it look agey, what have you, you don't want it to be perfectly covered with the white. Just wipe it around here. The more mine looks imperfected, the better I like it. That's just how I am. That's how I like my personal decor. I got that one done. Let me turn it this way. You don't even have to have a paintbrush to do this. I just picked up a napkin that a paper towel I wiped my hands on just now. This is how mine looks. Yes, this is acrylic paint. I usually do a chalk paint, but I left my chalk paint downstairs. Should be no surprise to anyone. So I just grabbed my acrylic paint. It works just the same, and I'm not trying to get full coverage anyway, so it's okay. Do the same thing to my base. The best way for me to get a chalky look, like I am doing right now, not chalky look, a chippy look, or, you know, old look, is to put the stain on the wood before you do the white. Sometimes if I want it to have a lighter look under the white, then I won't put stain on it. I'll just do a hit and miss with my cloth. This one I did not want to look like that, so I wanted it darker under the surface, so I'm doing a hit and miss with that. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, y'all, this is a quick design that I think you're going to love. I have a hot glue pot over here. I'm just reaching for some of the hot glue to put on the base of my stand. Then I'm going to center it off right here. Like so. Okay? So you have that on there. So now, I have a little knob, a little green aged knob. Just something I picked up and thought, I'll put that on there. You could put a hook on here. You know, you could put whatever you like on it. Just reach in to put some glue on the base of this knob. And I'm going to stick it right here. Just a little knob. That's what I put on mine. You certainly do not have to use a knob. Anything would work. I have this wreath. It's a double form wreath. It's just one that I have. Nice floppy. I use these a lot in lanterns. Perfect for lanterns. I got this one from, I want to say I got this from Michael's one day a while back, and it's a 6-inch wreath. Just have to make sure that's getting dry before I use it. And I'm going to put a little buffalo plaid ribbon to it. I'll wrap it around here. Okay, here is you a mini wreath holder. And what do y'all think? Hello, Miss LaVon, how are you? This is, I don't want to pick it up or anything because my glue is drying down here. Don't want it to get messed up. But this is a perfect way to make, I'm just getting some loose glue strings off of there. A beautiful way to make a miniature wreath stand to decorate anything. Mantles, curio cabinets, island, bar, bathroom. Thank you, LaVon. Simple, quick, and easy to do. You saw that. I always like to put a wide base on here. This will stand by itself, but I don't like that. I like to have a wider base because it's just better, you know, support for it with a wider base. So, do appreciate y'all coming on. Sorry I've been out with my back, but it is what it is. I'm going to try to do another live a little later today, maybe around 2. And if I have any spunk left after that, I would do my regular 7 p.m. live tonight. If you're watching on this video on my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up for me. I would greatly appreciate it. And you all have an awesome day. Thank you, Symmetries. I'm glad you love it. I will take a picture of this right after the live with it staged with things and show you how pretty it can be, okay? Thank you all, and I will see you at 2 p.m. Bye.